You know, Goldie, there are a lot of people here who don't dig me, man.
What are you talking about? What do you mean?
Well, you know I'm an outlaw, and a lot of the pimps are down on me because I won't choose. But Goldie, you know, I need a man. You know, I need somebody in my corner, man. You know, not just because I'm paying a man, but somebody to be there. Do you think I'm wrong?
No, I don't think you're wrong at all.
Help me then, Goldie. Man, I'm tired of being by myself. Man, I need you. And you'll never regret it. Man, I'd do anything. You hear me? Anything. You know, everything that you ask me to do. You know, man, you never have to look behind. You'll always be there. Goldie, please help me.
I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. Them pigs knock me off my pimpin', but I'm coming back like a hog. I want the money, jewelry, clothes, I want it all. Greedy like Joseph Randall, still in polo draws. My new bitch is loyal as a pit bull dog. My old hoe left and thought a pit was gon' fall, but like the Texas giant hoe, I'm still standing tall. Pump bitches got that booty on the back page, answering new calls. I'm an old school pimp, like Too Short Dog. I put a fat hairy cat on the track with no draws. My bitch get my money sucking dick in the bathroom stalls, or getting fucked in the alleys up against the walls. So choose a real pimp, bitch, and we all gonna ball. I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. Them D-boys get that money from them strippers while they selling them drugs, but I keep it down and dirty with a duck in the mud, and knock a mighty whitey with a duck with a dub. The game is what it is and it always was, so keep your heart out the shit because it ain't no love. A bitch will be with you 20 years, and this sweet chub put you in a cross, set your bitch ass up. You choosy Susie bitches go from nigga to nigga. That's why I pick a dot like I don't give a fuck, and keep a bitch down while I'm stacking my chochas.
My daddy's back on this pimpin', it's bigger, better than ever. These punk ass bitches be changing up like the weather. Got rid of them racks and now it's back to this cheddar. So choose the pole if you the real go-getter. The pimp comes up, so hold sip from the cello. Long live King David, forever and ever.
I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp. I'm back on my pimpin' mind, I'm back on my pimp.
Goldie, please help me. Help me.